Exploring grill rub, flavoring your vocabulary. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: grill rub. This English phrase is not only common in culinary circles but also adds spice to our daily conversations. Let's explore what it means together. Grill. The word grill refers to a method of cooking. Imagine cooking food over an open flame or on a heated surface. It can be a noun, meaning the actual cooking device or the grill marks on the food, or a verb, referring to the action of grilling food. Think of sizzling barbecues on a summer day. Rub. The term rub can be both a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to move something over the surface of another thing with pressure. As a noun, in a culinary context, it refers to a mixture of ground spices that are rubbed onto meat or vegetables before cooking. A rub gives flavor to the food. So when we combine these words, grill rub typically refers to a mixture of spices specifically made for grilling food. Understanding a term is great, but let's learn how to use it. Here are some example sentences. 1. I bought a new grill rub for our barbecue this weekend. 2. The steak tastes amazing. Which grill rub did you use? 3. Before grilling the chicken, make sure to apply the grill rub generously. It's important to note that grill rubs are especially popular in certain cultures, especially in the United States, where grilling and barbecuing are beloved traditions. However, the concept of seasoning meat before cooking is universal. In other cultures, there might be different terms or methods, but the underlying principle is similar: enhancing flavor. And that's a wrap on grill rub. Next time you're at a barbecue or reading a recipe, you'll know exactly what this flavorful phrase means. We hope this exploration added some zest to your English vocabulary journey. Keep cooking and keep learning.